amazingly creamy for a no-churn ice cream dessert. It has juicy air-fried strawberries and a buttery coconut crumble topping. Here's how to make it. We're starting with the cheesecake ice cream base. Cream cheese and cottage cheese are blended with heavy cream until it's smooth and velvety. A few drops of liquid stevia sweetens it up, and a squeeze of lemon juice wakes up the flavor and helps tame any bitterness from the stevia. A pinch of xanthan gum, a natural food thickener, keeps the texture creamy and prevents ice crystals during freezing. Light, tangy, and rich, just like spoonable cheesecake. Transfer the ice cream base to a metal loaf pan. It freezes faster and more evenly than plastic or glass, helping reduce ice crystals. This goes into the fridge to chill while we prep the mix-ins. The strawberries get chopped, just enough to hold their shape. They go into the air fryer. Set it up at 300 degrees Fahrenheit 15 minutes. What comes out is rich and jammy. The flavor is more intense, and they won't turn icy in the freezer. Meanwhile, a quick coconut crumble. 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, a tablespoon of powdered stevia, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh butter, and a dash of cinnamon. Whisk together in a shallow pan. That goes into the air fryer at 300 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, or until golden and toasty. Let it cool and it crumbles up beautifully. Buttery, crisp, and low carb. Once the base is chilled, fold in the air-fried strawberries first. Then microwave a few spoonfuls of sugar-free strawberry preserve, just enough to thin it out. This goes in at the very end. Reserve some of the crumble for additional topping, then layer the remaining half on top of the creamy base. Seal your metal loaf pan with a plastic wrap on top and with aluminum foil wrap around the container. Then freeze 4 to 6 hours or overnight. When it's ready, give it 5 or 10 minutes on the counter and it'll scoop like a dream. A final sprinkle of strawberry bits and delicious coconut crumble. And somehow even better than cheesecake. Ice cream solves everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.